She's got a lot of plans for the song. But some people will put some instruments on it. It'll be reproduced, and it's such a fantastic song. I love it. She wasn't. Oh, by the way, Skumbi's in the house, and we received the letter. By the way, Skumbi, from the BCCSA. Cases going through when you talked about people on wheelchairs and Vaseline, something like that.
Okay.
So just expect a bit of trouble.
Vaseline, telling you Vaseline. I can imagine.
I probably wasn't here.
Buddington.
I don't know. I wasn't here at the time.
Whoa.
Babe, you're rocking. BCCSA backwards, they know your name. They don't even know who I am. You are a rock star.
Very grand profession.
Too much, Baba. Too much,
Long
Baba.
busy, long plumbing, and this melu brother I get to ring. As I'm gonna make close and one.
Yo, boss.
Simpweta na close, ring a close, cool close. Bob now busy. Uche neutralize and galop song. Ya fan. Ya fan.
The talent of our people.
Shonelo, yes, Shonelo. Prince Shem.
My bitch. 8:39 on Kaya FM 95.9. Good music, good friends. A lot of you loving the Simpiwe Dana song. Really appreciate it. A lot of you saying, don't change it. They mustn't put any percussion or anything like that. It's really great. That's from Bongani. Tabisile Sikakani says, beautiful way to wrap our current affairs and state of politics in that song. And lots more comments coming through. So, Kaya FM 94.7. Scuba just decided to go on 94.7. Yeah?
No, this is the letter, Joe. Mina, I'm busy. No, but like I'm doing there's a show that we'll be doing on the 6th and the 7th of May.
Yes.
NCP, that we have opened our own political party as comedians.
All right.
Yeah, so the reason
You're launching your manifest.
Yeah, that's why I was there, Anel. But yeah, but there's look, listen, this tata serious. No, but no, if they're gonna call your name in our radio station and our radio show on air and say big up to 180 with Bob, no, they're listening.
Yeah,
sure.
Yeah,
so man, you don't know what about Anel. And Anel, I'm going to cap now. Koloma la umpeke binilimu bonali. Anel no ba valomlo mo bonilim la. Ngizithatha ibeaches uvale le nto manje. Yasebenza ngithi. Labelunga bangaka lana marumu cap. What happened to your dentist? Sengicela ngalo nto nzo yenzo. Microphone imanzi I felt. Hallelujah. Every day I kafle. Abelungu bheka ukuthi yazi abelungu fanele baqashe umuntu oyona disable la wanele
How was the ski trip for you, man?
The ski trip for me was amazing, Joe. First of all, France is France is not here, Joe. France is far. Like France is really far. 11 hours plus a train plus another 2-hour flight plus another 3-hour bus just to go to the mountains and then you figure upon upopia kotel. No more to somebody stands. So this gonna passing inside. Pobinho, Ukraine. I'm correct, man. Kulet the whole 7 days no mundalele jo. Nyaqala umuntu ogula kangaka. Waluza ne weight, akana weight. Waluzi weight. Ingama besithukile sethi son, the skeleton is really walking. Pobinho, Allah. Skeleton. Angeni kudla ngeni nix usabathe sopo alingeni sopo. Athatha ama ribs athi chakalaka kuyafana. Abantu bebadla abantwana bakhabokula. Usamela mntana kini. Baphethe namathapha ngithi mina why? Asmara. Why namathapha ususigezela wena? Basixelele ngawe maphapheni ta. But it was nice, but it was nice. We had a wonderful time. I would go back if people want me to go back. It was nice there.
I'm sure you'll go back.
When you are petted, it works.
Bese right. Sihleli kamnandi. Nini inkinga zeni South Africa. Nilahlekela amabhubesi. Silethi nakuna bhubesi. Bhubesi.
Doing Casper on your vest number, that was nice. I watched it. It was really.
Thank you very much. We trended for about 3 hours, and then people loved it and got a call from Khutmane Spanangada said busy saying they want to give me something, but they are all in the pipeline. So something is coming up.
So what's in Casper? Did he watch it? Did he? Is this why he's not nominated for a summer?
Casper nenyo bucho. Casper to Casper chengeli moto, a righty, and a riboni. umntwana loyana yonke into yakhe afanele kube nephondo yonke into yakhe thenga imoto ayifake iriponi emuva thenga imoto unemo yazi country le yazi beku right izolo umzulu ubaba izolo uthini izolo besimsukile ke OVS yazi uthini lo baba mana mina ngimazi njani yazi sicabangela ngezinye izinto sicabangela nge-life yethu wavuma sorry hello ngiyazi kusemina ningijwayelanga mina ngidinga umuntu osebusuku ya ngicela nje ukunitshela I'm still uthi uthaba kenzanga nix asinandaba nalento leyo wehla nini wena sikhuluma ngale yakho ukuthi uhlala nini phansi yesi France kule siyabuya umuntu akakahambi lokuthi bathi ngehle okay ngiyilule kancane yini enye ngenzile laba mina yazi uma bafana kanti yenzeni ayoshaya speech election.
Really?
Yeah, fanele election angithi probably lama reporters ayamiyekela amacede ukhuluma hamba. Hayi election she. Akayenze phakathi election stadium besithi nyabanga sorry kancane baba. Sorry. Athura hayi bodyguard wena bokhuluma. Cela ubuye kancane. Uthi awusitshele usiphathala nini? Yazi inkinga yaselection asipheli. Khona manje asinamanzi. Khona manje silala emikhukhwini. Yazi wena ulalaphi? 4-room house. Unama 4-room house ayi9 uyi1. Yazi uba uyahlupa ufana nomqashi. Yazi uyabona uma umqashi ube nenja mara uqashile. Neyinkukhu mawuqeda uthengisa inkukhu mara uqashi. Uqashe kanjani inkukhu? Mawuqeda ukick gate. Kick gate. Uma stand uyabuya ukhila wena. Saka kumemeza. Ebakhulito. Wese ngitheni? Angithanga yakhe ngo7. Yeah, manu baba no, baba uyahlupa jo. Bese ku right sise France, niselinenkinga zenu nabo Casper nabo Boydi, nabo AKA, nabo Kuli, sinye. Na bekangekho ngithi Kuli, besimshile. Siyasimshila ngeke same nawo kaUntwana bakabukuli, by 3. Phela ke ni 3.
I think the whole of South Africa knows Bengshiwe, so let's move along.
Mara beko right mochi waphuka ngithanda isilungu I'm going skiing laphuka idolo aphukile idolo manje insimbi uneinsimbi manje kodwa it's nice to see you brother uvukile man
Okay.
Fresh has Prince Shonile. There was one song Prince bengithanda.
Which one?
Can't just lengo bele bengidlala brother mangabe ubambile kwabona Sunday kumele umuntu wakho phethe ama smoke beef.
Smoke beef. No, you mess up. How do you mess up such a word?
I can see it.
Nama lemon cream.
It does. Kwa juice yona.
The lemon twist. As in lemon twist makalo ngayiphuza ngithi uba munqa ukuthi right. Uyazi phezulu kwemachine ngithi Prince lokuyasho background and bese kucula ngebase like going to sting. Mara yamuza lo bhuti. Uyakufana umuntu bekane eskele na card originally ke. Prince. My soul rest in peace man. And I don't want back asithanda ukuthi khulenya zabithi bathi una 90. Marusa hamba. Brother go. Queen Elizabeth. Hayi ngoma. Lezo skathi. Akunamuntu kini uyi1. Uhlele roomini umuntu lakho lokuthi nyeza. Petty box lama choice. Isho kanje.
When the day turns into the last day of all time.
We won lezo skathi. Anokakubheka imali ukuthi nya. Ufaka iBVD lokuthi. No man. Uphezulu kwamas. Uyasho Prince la isayidini. Athi. Hayi wena.
Falls before that day.
Bafethu, yazi probably ngifundeni ngada Prince.
Yeah.
Jokes aside. Ngifunda ukuthi we don't celebrate abantu basaphila. We don't tell them how much they mean to us.
Yeah.
And their music and their importance in our lives. Sifuna bahambe ne bese sine training. Yazi mandoza simtshele manje ukuthi yazi mandoza mawuthi hey. Uzoshona ne makaqeda ushona umandoza azi mandoza makathi ngikhala yazi makathi tha Amapaputsa sikhuluma nix lapho manje ne.
Yeah.
Uzoshona amapaputsa uzozona. Hawu wena khumula izinja la yo. Yazi manje ngathi khumula izinja ngathi ngavele ngikhumula yami nje iphela. Asibatshele manje ngithi asibatshele basaphila amapaputsa. Manje asibatshele siyababheka nje ubheka unjani impekeni. Ithashona wona. Yasimanje zama ngathi yeah. Asibatshela ngithi uzohamba bheka manje uPrince everywhere ku Purple Rain last week bese ngamcabanga ngazi. Last week bese ngamcabanga ukuthi important kangakanani empilweni zethu. Ithi ahamba uBob wena. Ibox lakhe lobhale fantastic ibox lobhale fantastic eboxini. Asibatshele manje abantu obrathi amakhoti managrand siyabathanda asimtshela ukuthi yazibrathi usenza right life in music odlalayo ama topic akho ay important. Itahambe wena itahambe.
But the same will apply for Baba.
Wednesday yazi ke uthi ushonile Wednesday ubathi wena Wednesday babiza Wednesday ke.
Oh, is it? It's a Tembisa thing. But
Fantastic, yeah, bro.
9.
Kobe, what are you up to this weekend, my brother, as we close it up?
Thank you very much to everyone. I'm doing my one-man show, Nelspruit, tomorrow, and then next week, Friday, Saturday, Soweto Theatre, tickets at Pick and Pay or...
Next week, Friday?
Next week, Friday and Saturday.
All right.
I think I'm left with about 50 tickets on Friday, left with about 70 on Saturday. So people must go rush, Pick and Pay or web tickets. And then, see right, and just call the country, see right, see happy.
No, what's wrong?
Yeah, bronchitis.
Oh, Titi.
Izoba right.
Izoba right.
Izifonyana zabodaka abo bronchitis. Asinto serious let's be better about pop.
Oh, Titi.
Umuntu uzomkhona. Boba sithusile. Cishe sabuya naye nje sithi fantastic.
Yeah, that's what happens, eh?
Scooby, thank you very much for hanging out, my brother.
Thank you very much, brother.
We'll see you on Friday then in Godspeed with the shows this weekend. We are in the sport.
Na sport tomorrow, next week. So to theater. Kuzoba mnandi kule country.
Thank you very much, Mka. Have a great weekend. Remember that you matter. You are very, very important. And hey, happy Lesbian Thursday. It's every single day if you want it to be. Bye.
For me, Bob Mabena has been absolutely...